Hi guys, it's Nadine. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to treat your loved ones with homemade chocolate. It is very easy to make and very delicious, and it literally melts in your mouth. If you like this kind of videos, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Let's get started. You will need the following: a quarter cup of coconut oil, half a cup of cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of honey, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 milliliter salt, and this is optional. You can add 13 milliliters of nuts. You can also add cranberries, coarse salt, or dried coconut, or anything else you like in chocolate. In the first batch, I will be making the chocolate without the nuts. I will also show you when to put the nuts in. I prefer to use silicone molds because it makes it a lot easier to take the chocolate out at the end. You don't have to prepare it with a non-sticking agent. And if you use plastic molds, remember to prepare it with a non-stick agent. Melt the coconut oil over low heat. Add the honey, vanilla and salt. When it's melted, immediately take it off of the heat. Add the cocoa powder 1/2 at a time. When it becomes lumpy, the heat was too high. If you want to add nuts or cranberries, you will mix it in now and pour it into the mold. Pour the batter into the molds and put it in the fridge for about 1 hour. The chocolate has a very low melting point, therefore you must store it in the fridge. Thanks for watching today's video. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.